Riboti cikonie ciugo cia unyamu iria ciahithuririo mutito-ini wa Shakahola ciatheremirio ta mwaki wa githaka guku bururi-ini ona nja ya bururi. Hakuhe mwaka umwe riu kuuma MIERI ya andu matanyihire magana mana kuburio mutito-ini uyu, no family 12 tu ciahotire gukurana endwa ao. Na ona kuri uguo MIERI no ndiri yarekererio, ningi mihango ya gukurana MIERI iria yatigarire ndiri yarikirira. Gikundi kia Human Rights Watch nikiorotete thirikari ni gwikururia kwa mitaratara ino ari hamwe na kuburio kwa MIERI makiria mutito-ini wa Shakahola.
The government kept talking about DNA sequencing to help with identification of bodies. That DNA sequencing has not happened. Postmortems have happened, but nobody other than the government has access to postmortem reports. Yeah, so it's an issue that the government needs to address and the government needs to be clear.
Kuringana na Otieno na Mwaya, thirikari ikoretwo ikihithirira riboti cia mwanya iria a Kenya mabatie gukorwo makimenya na uguo gucungiriria nganja cia kiria gikoretwo gigithie na mbere.
We understand that the government is planning to exhume this month. We don't know why it has taken that long. When these bodies, we understand these graves have been, not 80 bodies, but 80 graves. These graves have been there. And when that happens, and the government gives conflicting information, no clear platform for providing information for families and the media, definitely speculation will arise, and a lot of rumors will arise.
Hamwe na gucerithirio gwa gukuranwo kwa MIERI, thirikari ndiri yahingurira thitango mwikoiro munene Paul Thenge MACKENZIE, gikundi giki gikiuga gutire uthuthuria makiria ukoretwo ugithie na mbere kuona namba ya aira ndiri yongerereka.
By the time they were making a second application in September, asking for 6 months before they could charge MACKENZIE, the number of 4 witnesses had not increased. It was still 4 witnesses. And this January, when they went back to court, our understanding is that the number of witnesses has not gone beyond 4. So that means they have not been trying to get any more witnesses, even though we know there are people who have information and are willing to talk about what exactly happened at MACKENZIE at Shakahola.
Maya mokite riri igoti rihete mwena wa thitango ihinda ria ciumia 2 kuhingurira thitango MACKENZIE hamwe na IKURU agi aria maikirio ngono mieri 10 mihituku. Kwaga uguo igoti rirekererie MACKENZIE. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.